Hello everyone, this is Santosh and I welcome all of you on behalf of Byju's, the most universal learning app. And today we are going to discuss a very important topic for 9th and 10th class, and that is sphere, right? So you must have very much aware about this spherical shape, spherical shape you know about the earth, that is in the sphere shape, football, ball, okay? Any fruit like this is orange, this is also in spherical shape, okay? So watermelon, globe, everything you just see, all these things I have already discussed. You saw this, and these all are in the spherical shape, okay? So suppose this is the sphere and this is the center of the sphere, okay? So because there is a no lateral curve or there is a no slant curve in this one, so in this one there is a no curved surface or total surface area. Only the total area would be calculated in this sphere, right? So the area of this sphere, like total surface area and curved surface area, both are same in this case. In the case of sphere, the total surface area and curved surface area both are same. So we need not to discuss about the curved surface or total surface area. So we are just discussing the surface area of the sphere, and that would be the surface area of the sphere, okay, is equal to 4 pi r square, right? So suppose this is center, radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Then if you have to calculate the area of this sphere, then you can calculate 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7, right? So this is how you calculate 7 cut here. So now it is 88 into 7. So that would be 8 7 is 56, 6, and this is 61 centimeter square. Okay, so this is how you calculate the area of the sphere. Now the volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now put the value of r 7 centimeter, so that would be 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So now it can be easily calculated. So this is how you calculate the volume and surface area of the sphere. Okay, so see, today I am giving a very brief introduction about the sphere. If you comment, I will give you a very detailed explanation about this sphere. Okay, so now sphere is over. So now we are discussing the hemisphere. Hemisphere is the half of the sphere. So suppose this is the hemisphere. So this is how the hemisphere would be, like this. Okay, so suppose this is the radius. So if you have to calculate the area of the hemisphere, area of the hemisphere is equal to
4 pi r square upon 2.
So the area of the sphere was 4 pi r square. But now when you calculate the area of hemisphere, you have to include this circle also, right? So the area of hemisphere was, the total area was 4 pi r square. So the hemisphere area would be 2 pi r square plus this base area of the circle. So the base area of the circle is equal to pi r square more. So the total surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Not 2 pi r square, but 3 pi r square. Because this base would be also counted in this sphere. Okay, so this is how you calculate the area of hemisphere. Now to calculate the volume of the hemisphere, you just do the half of the sphere. So the half, the area of the sphere was 4 by 3 pi r square. So volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r square. So the volume of hemisphere would be
2 by 3.
hemisphere would be 4 by 3 pi r cube by 2. Okay, by 2 would be 2 by 3
pi r cube.
Okay, so this is how we calculate. Now if you want to calculate the value, if r is equal to 7 centimeter, now you can easily found the volume of the hemisphere. So this is how you calculate the area and volume of sphere and hemisphere respectively. Okay, so thank you very much guys. Thank you very much for watching this entire video and kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.